To add screen capture in OBS Studio, follow these simple steps. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Go to the Scenes box and click the plus button to create a new scene if you don't already have one. Next, go to the Sources box and click the plus button. Select Display Capture if you want to record or stream your full screen. Click Create New and press OK. Then choose your main display from the list and click OK again. Your screen will now appear in the OBS preview window. If nothing appears, make sure the correct monitor is selected. If you are using multiple monitors, select the one you want to capture. You can resize or adjust the capture in the preview window if needed. If display capture does not work, try restarting OBS Studio or updating your graphics drivers. For capturing a specific window instead of full screen, choose Window Capture instead. These steps will help you properly add screen capture in OBS Studio.